Alright, so to dry brush, you need a dry brush, some black paint, dab some paint onto the brush, then get rid of most of it, back into the container, and the rest, beat the devil out of it. Okay, wipe slightly on the mat, and so most of it is now dry, but it does leave some marks, so then we just dab and figure the weathering goes down so that we can be a little more aggressive when it kind of hits some of these little nooks and crannies, like right here. And if let's say we go too wild, like right here, we can just go ahead and go, we can use a rag, but this works too. This only works on the gloss paint, though on the regular paint it doesn't work quite as well, so you might need to touch it up. And once we do the corners, we can do some of this kind of stuff where we can just dab, but this one is too heavy, too much paint on it still, so we'll erase this. Again, if it's too much, just erase it, it's okay. Also, if you make too much damage, you can just use a rag and it'll come right off. So this way, if you overdo it. So I put the signs together, and you can see they just don't look brand new. They look a little weathered. You can't even tell from far away too much. But what we can do is that a lot of times this plywood will chip if it's like this janky, scrap looking one. Or if it's like this one, because it's so flat, sometimes spray paint, I can brush it, but I don't want to, will leave like certain marks, and we can actually use it to our advantage, because now it's going to be looking all weathered like it was meant to be, saving us both time and making us look more professional than we really are. And so that's how you dry brush some stuff to age things. Great success, and I'll see you next time.